Exploring the causes and effects of wildfires, impact on ecosystems and human society. Wildfires, also known as forest fires, bushfires, wildland fires, or rural fires, are standard worldwide. They pose a threat to human life and property, as well as the environment. In this video, we will explore the causes and effects of wildfires and their impact on ecosystems and human society. We will discuss the different types of wildfires and how they are classified. We will also explore the factors contributing to their behavior and severity, including available fuels, physical settings, and weather. Additionally, we will examine how natural wildfires can benefit native vegetation, animals, and ecosystems. However, we will also discuss the negative impact of wildfires on human society, including the direct health impacts of smoke and fire, destruction of property and economic losses, and water and soil contamination. We will also explore how human practices have worsened the effects of wildfires, with a doubling in land area burned by wildfires compared to natural levels. Finally, we will discuss how we can mitigate the risk of wildfires through modern forest management practices, including prescribed burns. We will also examine how we can reduce the human causes of wildfires, such as arson and accidental ignition. If you want to learn more about wildfires and their impact on our world, watch this video until the end.